Hi guys, Namastey. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Korean style egg rolls. It is easy to prepare and will make for a pretty alternative when compared to the regular egg recipes. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe. To make Korean style egg rolls, we need 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon each of finely chopped onion, carrots, spring onion greens, salt to taste, pepper, milk and some oil. In a mixing bowl, crack open the eggs. Add the milk, some salt and crushed pepper. Whisk until well combined. To this, add the onion, carrot, spring onion greens. Combine them well. Now heat a pan and add little oil. Pour a ladleful of the egg mixture and let it cook in low heat until firm. We will be cooking the eggs in low heat during the entire process. Gently roll the egg to the middle of the pan when firm. If required, grease the pan with some oil. Pull the rolled egg to a side. Now pour a quarter ladle of the egg mixture. Make sure that you always add the mixture to the unrolled section. Now let it cook and repeat the process. Gently roll the egg. Grease the pan and pull the egg. Do you like to try out different egg recipes? I do. If you would like to see such simple egg recipes, leave a comment below. Now remove the egg roll to a plate and let it cool for some time. Slice the roll into bite-sized pieces. I was in a hurry to slice them off, hence it started breaking here and there. Also, use a sharp knife for slicing. That's it. Korean style egg roll is ready. For a detailed printable version of the recipe, check the link in the description box below. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye and I'll see you soon.